Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo. So today's video is all about the fun making jewelry challenge hosted by Deb Hawk. She has given us several colors to work with. The first one that I'd like to mention is crimson. And we're using these red coral beads that I got from a broken necklace. I love using chip beads because it gives the piece some really nice texture. Now, the second color she's given us is a mulberry or a purple. Aren't these pretty? I love this purple color. And then the next color was a magenta, and she's calling that a hot pink. Now, I have some hot pink beads. They're kind of giving off an orange tint on my monitor, but they are definitely hot pink. Now, the next color she mentioned is a meadowlark. She's describing it as like a light yellow or a green. And I looked it up, and this is kind of what I found online. So we're going to use these beads. And then this last color she mentioned is artichoke or dark green. And so we're going to use these green glass crystals. This is kind of an interesting color combination. Not sure that I would make anything with these colors together, but you know what? I think it worked out really well. It's very tropical looking to me. In fact, it kind of looks like fruit. So what I did was wire wrap stations of these colors, and I mean, you could make a bracelet out of it or a necklace. It's like a beaded chain. But this piece is a beaded hair dangle, or you could call it a beaded dreadlocks. I added a little hibiscus charm on one end and a bobby pin on the other. My husband and I are fixing to go on a cruise, and I really think this is going to be something perfect for me to wear on tropical night. I'd like to thank y'all for joining me, and I hope you go check out all the other participants. I will leave links to their channels down in the description box below. Y'all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with Tapping Flamingo, signing out for now. Bye-bye.